Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Jamie's Guitar Tutorials. My name is Jamie Zimmerman, and today we will be learning We Don't Talk Anymore by Charlie Puth featuring Salena Gomez. And for this song, you need the A major at the 5th fret, the B major at the 7th fret, the C sharp minor at the 9th fret, and the G sharp minor at the 4th fret. There's a picking pattern that goes along with this song. And we will be using palm muting, which is where you mute the strings with the palm of your hand. And so jumping right in, on the first chord there we have the A major, but we are only strumming the E string, the A string, and the G string. And the way that goes is downstroke on the E, downstroke on the A, upstroke on the G. We're going to do an upstroke on the A before going back and doing a downstroke on the E. So far we have down, down, up, down. And then from there we do up, From there we do up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up. And so we have and we're going to be doing that with every one of the chords. So once you've got the pattern down on the A major, you can do that on the B major and the C sharp minor and the G sharp minor. Now the second time you go through that progression, you're actually going to stay on the C sharp minor, and I'll show you how that works. And then it repeats. Now the speed is a huge part of why this song is challenging. It actually took me a couple days of just sitting there and, and you want to try to just do it as quickly as you can while still being relaxed. And so if you're finding yourself tensing up while you're doing it at this speed, you need to slow it down to a slower speed. Sometimes it can be hard to remember the pattern when you're doing it slowly, but you really do have to make sure you are skipping that D string and not hitting the B string, right? You gotta skip the D and you gotta miss that B. Sometimes you're gonna hear that, and that's not what you want. You want that E, A, G, just those three notes. And I'm not perfect at this riff. I actually found a tutorial online that helped me a little bit with it, and that was Guitar Zero to Hero. I know I'm giving him a shout out. Not affiliated with him in any way, but he does an excellent demonstration of how to play this song at tempo in a very relaxed and calm way. I think in my demonstration I tense up just a little bit towards the end, and you want to make sure that you can do this progression over and over and over and over again, not just a few times. You want to be able to play through a whole song. If you were going to partner up with somebody, this is a duet. If you were going to have somebody else sing this with you, you would hopefully want to be able to play through the entire song. And so that was something that Guitar Zero to Hero helped me out with, just seeing how to play that progression. That was where I learned the specific picking pattern. And then you just want to try to get it as fast as you can while still staying relaxed. Because it's kind of a sad song, right? So you kind of want that light touch, that somber touch. It's also played on an acoustic guitar. My acoustic guitar is in the shop right now. I'll have it back soon enough. But that's pretty much it. You can strum the chords. If you don't like having to use the pick, you can also finger pick. I see a lot of other guitar tutorials recommending the finger picking or finger plucking because it can provide a little more ease at that tempo that the recording is done at. But as Guitar Zero to Hero mentioned, you get a much more crisp sound with a pick, and that is what the recording is doing. Alright, well, this was a pretty quick tutorial, but I would put this at definitely an intermediate level for the tempo, and that picking pattern is a little difficult to get down. It borderlines on the expert when you start talking about playing at the speed that the recording is played at and playing it as cleanly as he does in the recording. But if you do happen to learn the song and you get it down really, really well, take a video and post it and let me know if you learned it from my channel. That'd be great. So anyway, have a great day. Thank you for watching another episode of Jamie's Guitar Tutorials, and I will catch you in the next one.